Hotspots are invisible buttons. That's probably the best description for them. They work very well with triggers. So I'm going to use some hotspots with this image. What I'll do, I'll create a hotspot, get to insert, hotspot, get to choose what type of shape I want. So this one's a freehand, square, circle. I'm going to create one over this wheel. So what I want is for the user to hover their mouse over this wheel, and then I've been organised, I've created these layers. I've got a layer that says wheel. So I want that to appear when the user hovers their mouse over it. So what we need to do, I've created a hotspot, click on it once, create a trigger. So the trigger is to show the layer, and I want it to show the layer called wheel when the user hovers over hotspot 1. Press OK. I'll preview this. So there you go, move my mouse, nothing's happening, but if I go over the wheel, there you go, the layer appears. I could have that though, so it's not hovering, I could have it so it's clicking. So what we've got here, so we've got show layer wheel when the user hovers over hotspot 1, actually when the user clicks, or when the user double clicks or right clicks. There's lots of things that you can choose from. So have a user clicks on hotspot 1. Let's create another hotspot though. I'll do one here, I'll do a square. Same principle. So I'm going to click on it. I've been organised, I've created a layer called roof. So I'm going to create a trigger. So I want to show the layer of the roof when the user hovers over hotspot 2. Press OK. And there we go, we've got another hotspot created. So my mouse is already over it, which is why it appeared, so there we go. The wheel, nothing's happening, but remember I changed it to click. So you can see the cursor's changed into a hand. I'll click it, and there you go, it appears. Hover back over that one, and that appears. It doesn't have to be an image that you're doing this over either. You could put a hotspot over anything. So if you wanted hotspot over a piece of text or an icon, then again, you can apply the same principles to it. You're putting the trigger on the hotspot, not on the thing that's behind it. Hotspots are also used in drag and drop activities. They're normally used as the location that an object is dragged and dropped to.